Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can insert and modify image watermark in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened Microsoft Word, and first of all, I'm going to go to the insert menu. I'm going to click on insert, and then we can insert a shape. I'm going to choose this rectangle shape, but actually you can choose another shape. It's up to you. It's according to your image watermark. Okay, and then I'm going to draw the shape like this and right click on the shape and go to the format shape. Okay, and then I'm going to change it to picture or texture fill and go to insert and then insert your image watermark. I'm going to use this Instagram logo. Click on insert. Okay, and wait, I'm going to modify it. All right, and to make it transparent, you can go to the transparency, and I'm going to increase the transparency, and it will create something like this. All right, now it's done, and then you can place this watermark on any part of your document. Okay guys, and oops, sorry, I'm going to make the shape outline transparent. I'm going to make it now outline. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay, I'm going to place it here. Okay, just make it smaller. Okay guys, and that's all the way to insert and modify image watermark in Microsoft Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.